was Pirates of the Caribbean. So, fun fact, akala ko lahat ng mga rides sa mga Disneylands pare-pareho lang. So, hindi pala. Apparently, because Pirates of the Caribbean, parang hindi ko naman siya nakita sa Hong Kong. So, next in our agenda is hanap muna tayo ng makakainan because gutom na tayo and hindi pa tayo ng breakfast. Let's go! So for now, we're having a special set. Meron siyang hotdog, fries, and then mamimili ka ng drinks kung soft drinks, coffee, or hot choco. So yung isang set nila is about 1,240 yen. That's equivalent to around mga 480-ish pesos sa Philippine currency. Guys, we are going to Monsters Inc. Right? Again, from what I remember, walang ganyang ride sa Hong Kong. So, let's do it. I'm pretty sure mahaba yung pila dito because from dun sa conversation namin, nung na-meet namin sa Omoido Yokocho, nasa top 3 niya tong Monsters Inc. So, let's go! Sakay tayo!
Sinarado mo na agad.
Next stop, Star Tours. Time check, it's almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon, guys. Nakatatlong rides na tayo. So, yung first ride natin was Pirates of the Caribbean. Nag-enjoy ako dun. Hindi ko in-expect na maganda siya. Second is, we went to sa Monsters Inc. And then, yung third natin is Star Wars. Para siyang yung Transformers, if nakapunta na kayo sa Universal Studios. Para siyang ganon yung peg niya. So now, naghahanap tayo ng fourth ride. Sobrang daming tao.
Hello, everybody. This is Mickey Mouse.
Hear the bells are ringing, everybody singing, pink confetti.
Time check, it's currently 2:17 p.m. Kakatapos lang naman sa PhilHar Magic. Oh, wait! Ang ganda ng castle. Pero mamaya. Done. Photoshoot sana ako pero pangit pa yung tama ng araw. So, ngayon, punta naman tayo dito next sa Snow White Adventure. Check natin kung ano to. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Since 3 o'clock p.m. na, and yung last kain natin was morning pa, we decided na mag-noodles muna dito sa isang restaurant, Chinese Voyager. And then later on, pag maganda na yung sikat ng araw, saka tayo mag-photoshoot dun sa mga castles. Because kanina, pangit pa nung tama ng araw. So after late lunch, yun yung gagawin natin. Welcome to Tokyo Disneyland!
Sunshine on me fierce, music on me bliss. Colors in the sky, hear the steel drums cry. Jumping in the streets, rhythm in the feet. Whistle blowing loud, join the dancing crowd. Carnival, we vibe, island life so alive. Sing it that we guide.
So して可能性を切り開く無限のイマジネーションで